Welcome back. If you saw my video last week, you know I got to do a wooden pet name on a Savannah breed kitty. Savannah breeds have really distinctive markings, and that gave me an idea. I thought about incorporating plugs into my wooden pet names to give it some more distinction. Now, I've never done a plug, so this video is more about me learning how versus me actually incorporating it into a wooden pet name and trying to learn how to navigate the mill and using a flush cutting saw and just a general how-to. Here is my first Homer Simpson moment. I had just put the plug cutter on the mill and it's not starting. I was like, what is going on here? Must have needed more coffee or something. I had forgotten that the chuck was still in place, and I knew that when the chuck is in place, the mill is not going to start. Can I get a doy? I used softwood to start with because I thought it would be easier to work with, but because it was easy, hello, I'm cutting towards myself. What was I thinking? And I also couldn't see it very well, so I switched it up to some harder wood and more distinctive wood. I like the dark color here, but what I learned is that this is hard to work with. I could dry fit the first plug. This, I really had to pound into place, and as you can see, it got squished. So I was like, uh-oh. Now the flush cutting saw, I realized to cut away from me this time, thank goodness. But I was also cutting into the wood. So I had to do a ton of sanding. At least I'm sanding with the grain, so I'm not adding more scratches as I go. But where are my clamps? Why am I not using my clamps? This took forever. The wood kept moving. I really had to put pressure on it. Turned out okay. If I could get it into focus so you guys could see. But this looks much better than the plug idea. But I'm going to keep practicing. So thanks for watching.